Hi, my name is Liz. I work at the Plainview Old Bethpage Library. Some of you may not know is I also teach a cooking class, a cooking and tasting class at the library. And today I'm going to show you two recipes that you can use for the holidays coming up, which are Passover and Easter. And they're probably they're items that are in there that you probably have around your house. So welcome to my kitchen and we'll get started. We're first going to do chocolate covered matzah. I have a box of matzah here, and the ingredients are 5 sheets of matzah. This is applied to a large baking sheet, but I'm using a small one that's 9 by 13, so I only used about 2 1/3 cups of sheets of matzah. You'll also need, but if you make the full recipe, it's 5 sheets of matzah or more to fill in the spaces, a cup of brown sugar, 1½ sticks of butter. I use unsalted, a cup of chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you have on hand is fine, and a cup of chopped nuts, which are, I'm using walnuts, but you can use pecans, or you can make this nut-free if you wish. When you start any kind of baking recipe, which this will bake for a very short time, I always preheat my oven, and my oven is ready to go at 350. You can line the baking sheet with either aluminum foil or parchment paper and place the matzah in a single layer, and as I said, fill in the necessary spaces and then set that aside. So the next thing we're going to do is melt the brown sugar and the butter, and as I said, I'm using half the recipe, so I'm not using the full amount, but you put it on medium heat and you cook it until it's melted, and it's going to cook. You're going to bring it to a boil for 3 minutes, stirring constantly until it's thickened. Cut it.